This is the main railway line that runs through the centre of Hanoi. And this city, the footpaths are so congested and often invaded by motorbikes, other junk, that this is probably one of the few cities in the world where you can say that it's safer to walk along the railway tracks than it is to walk along the street. And the sort of activity that you can see before me here would indicate that these people find it a pretty safe and pleasant place to hang out. Không nói được tiếng nước ngoài à?
Mấy con rồi.
Có một cháu. Rồi một con luôn.
Anh chui, vợ hai.
Vợ hai hả?
Vợ nữa đây.
Một vợ nhiều rồi.
Rồi lấy vợ nữa đi.
Judging by the traffic on this little railway today, there's a bunch of tourists taking a walk as well. This little walk might be becoming a bit of a tourist attraction in Hanoi. It's actually pretty photogenic, so you might want to consider taking a little railway walk. You wouldn't normally recommend that to tourists, but as I say, the state of the roads in Hanoi is such that this is probably one of the safer places you can walk in the city. There's also some pretty interesting local action. There's a whole lot of little street restaurants here. This one known as Cơm Bình Dân, which is basically the local people or the ordinary people's rice. So it's a little eatery, little local eatery, and there's a whole bunch of them along the railway line here that I haven't actually tried, but I suspect it could be quite an interesting place to have lunch or dinner. As you can see, the locals live very, very close to the train. These houses are packed right up. When a train comes through here, there's probably less than a metre between the train and the houses. It's also probably one of the safer places for children to play. Sao? Biết nói tiếng Tây à? Biết. Cháu biết nói tiếng Tây không? What's your name? How are you? Okay. What's your name? How are you? Cooking up a storm over here for tonight. Cô đang nấu gì đấy? Nấu thịt.
Mấy con rồi?
You notice the standard question I've been asked by every cluster of people we've passed is, how many kids do you have? Where's your wife? It may seem that living this close to the railway tracks with trains roaring past is a pretty tough way to live, but it occurs to me that these houses, when there aren't trains going past, are some of the most peaceful in the centre of Hanoi. And there aren't that many trains going past either, so in some ways these guys get to live a more peaceful existence than people living on the main streets. Hello!